Well, after the Prime Minister on Friday announced the withdrawal of the farm laws, clamour is now growing for the repeal of the contention CAA or Citizenship Amendment Act and also restoration of Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir. Muslim leaders have urged the Prime Minister for withdrawal of the act, while leaders in Jammu and Kashmir are demanding the restoration of Article 370.
मैं आपको, पूरे देश को ये बताने आया हूं कि हमने 3 कृषि कानूनों को वापस लेने का, रिपील करने का निर्णय लिया है.
The Prime Minister repealing the 3 laws for farm reforms. The move has now set off clamour for withdrawal of the Citizenship Amendment Act and restoration of the scrapped Article 370. The CAA gives persecuted non-Muslim minorities from India's neighbourhood Indian citizenship. The scrapped Article 370 gave special status to Jammu and Kashmir. As the centre backpedaled over the controversial farm laws, Congress and PDP attacked the centre, seeking restoration of the valley's special status. Jammu and Kashmir Congress Party Chief Ghulam Ahmed predicted that Prime Minister Modi will soon apologise for abrogating Article 370 as he did for farm laws. The sentiment was echoed by former Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti.
हम अगर सारे लोग, सारे कौम, सारे नजरियात एक होकर एक चीज के लिए आवाज उठाएं, और वो दिन दूर नहीं होगा जब रात के 12 बजे मोदी साहब कहेगा कि मेरी से गलती हो गई थी, मैं माफी मांग रहा हूं और मैं जम्मू कश्मीर को वो सारी सिचुएशन वापस दे रहा हूं जो उनकी बनी थी.
ये मांग तो अपने में ठीक है कि जो आपने सीए का कानून लाया है उसमें जो आपने धर्मों का नाम दिया है, धर्मों की जगह अल्पसंख्यक लोग जो प्रताड़ित होते हों उन्हें हम लोग शरण दें, तो उस तरीके की अगर भाषा बदल दें तो फिर सीए एनआरसी में किसी को, सीए में कम से कम किसी को कोई ज्यादा आपत्ति नहीं होनी चाहिए.
The Government of India revoked Article 370 of the Constitution of India on August 5, 2019 and bifurcated Jammu and Kashmir into 2 union territories.
मैं बताना चाहता हूं सभापति महोदय कि धारा 370 आज इस सदन के आशीर्वाद से समाप्त हो जाएगी और ये क्षण देश के इतिहास में सुवर्ण अक्षर से लिखा जाएगा.
Voices are becoming louder against the Citizenship Amendment Act and the proposed NRC. Repeal of 3 farm laws emboldening anti-CAA groups. Samajwadi Party and Muslim organizations are urging the centre to take back the Citizenship Amendment Act as well. But the centre has called the demands mere political drama.
तो सरकार को सोचना चाहिए कि वो कानून भी मुल्क की बेहतरी के लिए नहीं है, मुल्क की आवाम की बेहतरी के लिए नहीं है और उस कानून को भी वापस लेना चाहिए.
जनता की ताकत, हर ताकत से मुल्क की, चाहे वो असम्बली की हो या पार्लियामेंट की हो, जनता की ताकत उससे ज़्यादा भारी और भरकम ताकत है. इसलिए मुसलमानों के सिलसिले के अंदर भी इस बिल को वापस लिया जाए जो वो बना रहे हैं.
कोई कहने लगा है कि नागरिकता कानून को वापस लेना चाहिए, कोई कहने लगा है कि 370 खत्म किया जाना चाहिए. ये वो लोग हैं जो लोग की इस बात को अच्छी तरह जानते हैं कि नागरिकता कानून किसी की नागरिकता लेने के लिए नहीं, बल्कि बांग्लादेश, पाकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान में जो अल्पसंख्यक हैं, पीड़ित हैं, प्रताड़ित हैं, जिनके साथ जुल्म हो रहा है, उनको नागरिकता देने के लिए.
The anti-CAA protests had turned violent in some places and also led to communal clashes and deaths in early 2020.
Several leaders from the opposition camp and also in the society have been demanding that since the farm laws have been repealed, it is also time to relook at the Article 370, how it was withdrawn, and at the same time reversal of the Citizenship Amendment Act. However, the stand of the government is very firm. There is no rethink going over it.
Bureau Report, India Today.
Let's try and break down the Citizenship Amendment Act. What does it really do then? It fast-tracks the citizenship of persecuted minority groups. Hindus, Jains and Sikhs benefit under the new law. Buddhist, Christians, Parsis benefit under the new law. The stir really is over. No mention of Muslims in this act. The government says law is not going to be impacting any Indian citizen. It has been passed in Parliament in the year 2019. The law is yet to be implemented. The Home Ministry has sought time till 9th of January 2022 to frame rules. Why is the BJP pushing for this law then? The appeal is obviously to the Hindu voter base to also help Hindu migrants settle in the country. Amit Shah's pet project as well, and that's one of the reasons why the BJP is so keen on it. The opposition is against the Citizenship Amendment Act. They're saying there is religious bias. It can't be tolerated in a secular country, is what the opposition says. Exclusion of Muslims from the minority communities list, and also opposition is claiming religion can't be the basis of granting citizenship. Well, this is about the opposition leaders now demanding a repeal of both, the NRC and the Citizenship Amendment Act, and also saying that Article 370 must be restored in Jammu and Kashmir.